Do you have a barbecue with failing burners? Do these burners light up and heat in some areas but not others, leading to uneven cooking? Are your cast iron burners crumbling before your very own eyes? This deterioration is what is causing hot spots and poor heating performance in your barbecue. Today on DIY Around the Home, I'm going to show you how you can not only fix the problem by replacing your burners, but also how you can upgrade to stainless steel burners that perform far better and have a longer life than the original cast iron burners for a fraction of the cost. This video applies to barbecue grills from Bull, Cal Flame, Lion, Blaze, Turbo, Beefeater, Thermos, Char Broil, Jenn Air, and Nexgrill, who all use these style burners in their built-in barbecues. Okay, so as you see here, we're lighting up the barbecue, but as you see, the flame is mostly appearing only in the back of the barbecue. I have my hands down here where there should be flames, and I can hold them for as long as I want, and I won't get burnt. My burners have definitely gone bad. Upon closer investigation, you can see the cast iron metal flaking away and dissolving into powder. The holes left over from this breakdown is leading to the poor performance. The great thing is that not only can you fix your cast iron burners, you can upgrade them to stainless steel adjustable burners that last a long time and perform better, all for a fraction of the price of a new barbecue. I bought these exact parts on Amazon for $25 each, a substantial savings over online barbecue retailers. Here are a few details to successfully complete this job. Step 1. Ensure the barbecue is cool to the touch. Remove the top grill grates from the top of the barbecue. 3. Remove the flavor bars that block grease from getting on your burners. 4. Remove your old burner by grabbing at the base and moving toward the back of the grill while gently lifting up. This should allow the cast iron burner to simply slide out of the fuel rail located at the front of the grill. Step 5. You can remove the lower parts here if you'd like, but this isn't needed. I ended up going down this path with a quick 1-hour cleanup of my barbecue using my new steam cleaner, but won't show that video here. Instead, check out the video linked above if you want to watch that. Next, remove stainless steel burner from the packaging. Grab the open end and slide it back into the void left from taking out the old burner. Step 7. Test the barbecue by turning on the burner. As you can see, that was super quick and easy to do. Step 8. If you see a lot of yellow flame, you can adjust it by tweaking the screw on the side of the burner. You want an even blue flame. If you have a really yellow flame, it needs more oxygen. In that case, you open the adjustment screw to let in more air. Test until you get it right. Step 9. Last but not least, change out the remaining burners and replace the accessories in reverse order from how we took apart the barbecue. At this point, you'll all be done and you can start cooking. Warning, there's a decent chance your barbecue is going to heat faster, more powerful than how it was performing prior to the replacements. I learned this the hard way by absolutely torching a New York strip steak by overcooking it. I had to dial back the burner knob to medium on the subsequent steak so it would cook just right. Well, this was a quick and easy fix to the barbecue. After a little deep cleaning, which you'll be able to see in the video linked above, my old, tired, and beat up barbecue will be back to working like new without having to spend over $1,000 on new equipment. Repairing the barbecue keeps it out of the landfill and saves me a lot of money in the end. A win-win for all. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below. Which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.